Want to change your Roblox account location fast? I'll show you the easiest way. No VPN tricks needed. First, open Roblox.com on PC or mobile. On the website, click the gear icon and select Settings. Scroll to Account Info and find Account Location. Normally, Roblox updates your location automatically based on where you sign in from. If your location is wrong or changed unexpectedly, it could be because of a VPN or someone else accessing your account. Make sure your email and phone number are correct, then change your password and enable two-step verification. If your location still doesn't update, go to the Roblox gear icon again, click Help and Safety, then Help Center. Search for Account Location and select Need More Help. Contact support here. Fill in your username, email, device, and issue details with a message. Describe your issue. You can copy mine. You will find it on the description jar, then submit. Roblox Support will email you within a few days to fix your location. And that's it. Your Roblox account location fixed. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this helped.